working here?
This is my second year.
Oh yeah? Does it ever get busy in here?
Very.
Who maintains these? Because these are pretty old, you know, a lot of old parts.
Nobody.
What do you mean nobody goes around and changes light bulbs? Somebody's got to keep these working. You don't keep them working? You guys are pulling my leg. What happens when it breaks? This one's out of order.
They will stay out of order.
Who
We can't do anything to fix them.
Who owns this place?
The owner of the park, which would be Doug Waterbury.
And how long has he owned it?
No clue.
He must maintain them. Every winter he probably comes in and does some work.
Not so sure about that.
When do you say it gets busy in here?
Usually gets busy around night. A lot of people come over from the casino or when they're down at the beach.
Not automated. 25 cents a game. And they said nobody maintains them. When they go out of order, they stay out of order.
Yep, so just gonna roll them all up, try to get 5 lights in a row. First person to get 5 lights in a row wins. The top red row gets you double points. The blue row in the middle gets you a free play game, and the row right underneath it is gold. That'll get you triple points. Because there's 4 people playing, the max points you can get is 40.
Well, the Fascination, are you here to play or are you just looking around?
Or minimum points is 40. And when he'll let you know when to go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Emmy's first throw was into my machine.
And if any lights don't come on or if all gets stuck, just raise your hand and let me know. I'll try to assist you as best I can.
What year is this from? 56? Is that what you said?
57.
57.
This Fascination location was built in 1957 when the original was actually built in 1918 in Salt Lake City. You can actually play on the original boards from the original location out in New Jersey. There is only 8 locations left in the United States.
Sorry, I got it. It bounced.
Oh, I got one more on that second row. It is a pretty big chevron to get over in the middle. Somebody's going for a red light over there. They got one more in the middle to get the red light. Then they can double. What does the blue line get you?
A free play game.
Free play. I got it.
Congratulations, player 11. That white row will give you a lovely 30 points.
30 points. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
There you go. The old school Fascination tickets.
I didn't even say go.
Yeah, you guys started.
Oh, that was.
Is everybody ready for this next round of Fascination?
Yes.
This
Yep.
next round will begin in 3, 2, I can't even say 1. Go.
I don't want anybody to have an advantage here. gotta wait until you hear go. I'm going for going for the free line. We're playing against two other people. It smells like it's from 1957 in here, no?
Yeah. Actually drives a lot of people away when they walk in.
Oh, really? That's nostalgia. I don't mind the old smell. I'm going for that second line again. You're going for a red line. Am I going to beat your red line? That guy needs just a corner over there. He could beat us both. You got it.
Congratulations, player 10. Not only
Emily
did you
got a
win
red
the-
line.
Not only did you win, you won the double point row. That is 60 points to you.
You
Thank you.
Nice job, man.
Smash.